Nation Appreciation Week to Queen Quet.
Madam Chairwoman, members of council, Queen Quet sits back over here. I'll read this and present it to her with her assistants in the car. This is a proclamation to designate the week of July 30th, 2022 through August 6th, 2022 as Gullah Geechee Nation Week. Whereas Jasper County is one of the most historic low-country counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, this area and the South Carolina coast became the location of some of the richest rice and farming plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as the Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee ancestral civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States due to having been kidnapped to be enslaved in the United States to work on these plantations in the coastal regions, including South Carolina. With their African fair, original language and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Jasper County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped define our southern lifestyle and culture. Whereas John Baskin, who served Jasper County in the South Carolina House of Representatives from 1870 to 1874, was born in 1827, emerged from this culture and this community. He farmed the very lands on which he and many of his people had been enslaved. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan has been created to sustain the land and the Gullah Geechee culture. Whereas Queen Quet, who became the first Gullah Geechee to speak before the United Nations on behalf of the Gullah Geechees, led to the creation of this plan and the aforementioned act. And whereas it's appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation to this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world about and to celebrate the continuation of the Gullah Geechee traditions. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Festival will be the culmination of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And whereas a series of activities will take place throughout Jasper County and virtually to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and are part of the United Nations Decade of People of African Descent. And whereas Jasper County joins in celebrating the lives of the Gullah Geechees that have left such a rich legacy of our county, region, and nation by joining in with the theme for this year's celebration as Queen Quet.
This year who we be.
Now therefore, be it resolved that the Jasper County Council does hereby proudly recognize the 2022 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaim the week of July 30th, 2022 through August 6th, 2022 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Jasper County, and encourages all citizens to actively participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. On this 18th day of July 2022 in Ridgeland, Jasper County, South Carolina. Yes, signed by Barbara Park as the chairwoman.
Beautiful chairwoman back there in the picture.
Come down.
You come down. Come on down here. Oh, no, never come down there and take this your picture.
Come on.
I'm coming too, Queen.
You're telling them you're playing and sit over there. Come on down.
I can't get ahead of the chairwoman now.
Okay, I know that's it. Anyone to call her out of the way.
I love getting my pictures.
Okay. All right, we need one more on this side, balance them out. There we go. Now.
She's done this before.
That's right. In my first rodeo.
We've been here a lot over the years.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you to y'all. So glad to be here one more again. I know the meeting ain't gonna stop till I see one face come out that bathroom. So I hope to see y'all to some of the programming this year. Yeah, we ain't that far away from you. We gonna launch on St. Helena Island on July 30th at noon. in the St. Helena Ballpark. And I know y'all know what baseball, because your museum here had the baseball exhibit in there and things like that, so y'all can come on out this week. And then we'll be even closer for the festival this year, because we're in Bluffton, at the Bluffton Oyster Factory. So y'all can get a David boat and come around the creek show. So y'all can come celebrate with me on August 6th at noon. So you'll have a good time. So thank you one more again, Jasper County. And y'all know, say this evening, Hampton County vexed with you because I come here instead of going there. They vexed with y'all this evening. But I send love to them too, and thank you to y'all.
Thank you.